But when there's cocaine presence, what cocaine does? Cocaine binds to the dopamine transporter and blocks the reabsorption or reuptake of the dopamine into the presynaptic membrane. So blocks the reuptake, so it causes the dopamine to hang around the synaptic cleft. So we'll hang around here with presence at the synaptic cleft for a longer period of time, and it keeps on stimulating the postsynaptic membrane. This causes overstimulation. Okay, overstimulation will cause fewer receptors at the postsynaptic membrane, and it will cause less sensitive pathway that will cause addiction. Because why? Once users stop taking the cocaine or stop taking the drugs, it will create the less sensitive pathway, and the users, in order for users to maintain the normal lives, they need to take the drugs. So this causes the addiction. Yeah. Okay. Acetylcholine released by synaptic terminal. This one, remember that acetylcholine or ACH is very important to produce the action potential or depolarization, to produce impulse. So these neurotransmitters are very important to cause contraction. So these are the release of the acetylcholine at the synaptic cleft. It will bind to receptors on the muscles here. Okay, that's the first one. Bind to receptors on the muscle fibers plasma membrane, and then it will trigger the action potential. We can see the arrow, the red arrow that refers to the action potential in the muscle fiber. So this action potential is transmitted or propagated along the plasma membrane and down through the T tubules. Okay, the T tubules. And this area here is the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum stores calcium. So when there's an action potential, what happens? Action potential causes the calcium release from the sarcoplasmic reticulum.